Yes, please do take your test after the class. Axmed, I would suggest you after the class, please do go through the videos so that you might be able to come across these. Okay, fine. So let's get into the class now. Yes, for sure. It might take some time. You might get the email address. Do not worry. See in the websites of Step Up, when you log in, you have some free tests to take up. You have materials to take up. When you come, log out and come out also, you would be able to see the main screen. You have competitive exam free content zone, free materials. You can click on that. You can see PRAGATII exam and you have all the mock tests and practice tests over here too. You can download it and you can use it. Did you get it? Click on free content, free material. You will get PRAGATII exam. Click on it and take up the materials. Are you clear with that? Are you clear with that? Come to the home screen. However, it might take some time. If your internet is slow, it may take some time for the email to deliver. That's why I said don't click on the test. It's just for you to know how to access it. You can now close it directly and you can do it again next time. Okay, Timothy, you can close it now. It's okay. You can close it now and you can take up your test later, not now. You have to close your test. No other go. Shall we get into the class? Okay, that's fine. Anybody else? See, account verification, housing, it might take some time. Please wait. No, you cannot. I said you don't take up the test now. It's just only for you to know how it is. Okay, you can take it up whenever the test date told or on Sundays. You can take up your test. Again, I'm showing you one last thing to access free materials. You click here, you have mock tests. You have on the top free content zone. You can click on free materials and you would be able to access various question papers along with PRAGATII. And you have competitive exams. If I click on PRAGATII, I have all the instructions given over here too. You getting it? See, some of them, they have already got the email verification colored. So you might be able to wait for another 1 hour. So you might get your verification link. Or you can directly log in with your Google account. Okay. Okay, one last review. Look, I'm sending you the link. If you've already done, it's fine. Sending you the link. Click on the link. The screen would get displayed. Okay, then click on register. Click on competitive exams. Click on the next button. Fill your details. Create an account. You will get a verification mail. It might take some time, but please wait. Okay, once you have done, you can click on login, enter your email address and password and click on login. Are you clear with the steps? Please do wait, Emmanuel, you will get it. Okay, if still you have any problem with the login, You can click on login with your Gmail account so that you can log in with it. Sign in with Google. Just close the browser. Click on sign in with Google account. Click on the same. Open your Google account. You would be able to see the dashboard. On the top, you have a link exactly right of the website where you have my profile, dashboard, log out. So click on my profile. You can fill all the details or any corrections there. Click on save. Once you're back, you can click on again to come to the dashboard, where on the dashboard you would be able to see the screen with number of tests taken, number of videos available, and what is your performance. So number of questions attempted and accuracy. You'd be able to see all those things over here. Or on the right side, you have something called test zone. Click on that, download study materials. This is the thing what you have seen in the home screen. Okay, free study material. The same thing is available over here. Click on videos. Okay, so verbal videos, you have 16 verbal videos, quantitative aptitude videos. So you can watch the videos over here. Are you okay with that? Okay, then apart from that, I want to talk about the test. Then I can click here on test zone, click on full length paper. You have all your question paper displayed over here. Click on go to exam. Okay, when you're free time, when you take up your test, click on start. Not now. Once you start, the timer would start and you'll have your questions. You clear with that? Now I am the final step. I'm logging out. Okay, so the video is being streamed live by Jain University and Step Up. So when you log in into your YouTube channel for this day on April 1st, on the 1 hour 40 minutes of the class, you have the short glimpse of how to log in into the account. Please do take a look of it, then it might help you out. Okay, are you all clear now? Set. If anybody asks how to log in or anything, April 1st on the videos, the first 40 minutes. After the first 40 minutes, in 2 minutes, you have the glimpse of how to log in and all the details over there, and you can try it out. Are you clear with that? Your email will get verified. Please do wait. Your email will get verified. Please do wait. Okay, it might take some time. Okay. If your internet is slow, the full page would not get displayed. So please wait until you gain your complete internet or keep reloading so that you would be able to see the test zone below in the same page when you're logging into your phone. Is that all right now? Any doubts? Yes, you can, not now, but clear with that? Yes or no? Okay. If you have any doubts till then, let me know. Any doubts with your previous classes? None of the tests to be taken now, not most of the tests, none of them now. Please do it after the class. Don't take up the test now. Okay, any doubts with the previous classes? Okay, can anyone quickly put it in the chat with a glimpse of what topics did we do in the last class? You can put it in the chat. Fractions. Okay, addition and fractions. We have done with some other topics also. Can you please quickly think about it? That was too short with the answer of fractions. I hope we have done it bit detailed. Yes, so little of word problems. Okay, problems on fractions. Okay. So what are the three types of fractions? Conversion of mixed fraction to improper. That was a good Chukwa. Conversion of fractions from mixed to improper and improper to mixed. Next, word problems of fractions. Next. Sure, you will be doing it today with more questions. Okay. Clear with that? Okay, I'm just sharing my screen so that you would be able to view it. Okay. Is it my screen visible? Is it my screen visible? Fine. I hope you're able to see the screen. Yes, okay. Yes, thank you for your reminder. I'm going to give you the questions. Okay. So I'm going to give you some questions. Please do wait. Okay, I'll just put it on the screen. Then you will be able to take a look on it. Like the last class, I'll be giving you some questions. Got it? Okay, so here is your first question. I think already I've given you the question with time-based. Tuesday and Wednesday, science project was taken. On Thursday, math homework was done. So how long did it take? That was a question, I hope. Yes. Okay. Fine. So now here is the question for you. I'm just stopping my screen for a minute. I'll just add it up. Okay. To show you the question, I've just stopped it. Okay, I'm just showing you the question now. Here is the first question for the day. Can you see the questions? Yes. Francis, can you just scroll in your phone so that you would be able to see the screen which I shared? I would suggest you to scroll your screen in the Zoom which shows in your phone so that you would be able to see the screen. So the question is about gift wrapping. Okay, I'll just give you the timing. I think the fraction values are missing over there. Just a minute. It's 2, 3 by 4. Okay, I'm just resharing. It's 2, 3 by 4. Gift wrap for 11 boxes. And this friend volunteered for the time of 1 by 3. 1 by 3. That means mixed fraction. Wrapped. And what is the time taken? Can you see? Can you see the screen? Yes. It's a mixed fraction. Okay. 2, 3 by 4. Yes. And he volunteered 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Jackson, it might take some time. Don't worry. On the next class, again, we will sort it out. Okay. Please do now solve the question. Do not worry about your login. We can do it again. Once you have solved, let me know. Have you done? Okay, that's fine. Let's check it. Okay, he won into 2 3x4 powers and wrapped 11 gifts. Okay, this. Okay, you want some time? Okay, fine, take it. That's fine. Okay, do you want some more time? Let me know, or we shall go with the answer. That was good. Shall we go with the answer now? Okay, 2, 3 by 4. The first step is I'm converting the mixed fraction to improper fraction. Okay, so 2, 3 by 4. So 2, 3 by 4 into improper fraction. That's going to be 11 by 4. So 11 by 4 hours, he has wrapped 11 boxes. So to wrap one box, how long did he spend time to wrap each box? That means one box. 11 divided by 4, again divided by 4. Okay, I hope you remember the fraction division. So if there is no number, write 1. So fraction division means cross multiply. Okay, so 11 times 1 is 11. So 4 times 11. Fraction division, which we have learned earlier. So that becomes easy for you to remember. So it's 1 by 4. When I say 1 by 4, that is 25 percentage, or in 60 minutes, 1 by 4 is nothing but 15 minutes. So 60 minutes into 1 by 4 is equals to 15 minutes. To wrap one box, he has taken 15 minutes. Are you clear with that? So the fraction value is 1 over 4. How long has he spending? Fraction value is 1 over 4. And in minutes, it's going to be 15 minutes. 5 minutes. Yes. And we have doubt with A. Let me know. Or we should go with the next one. No doubt, that's good. Okay, so next one. How many hours did Vinay volunteer? Snow volunteered 1 by 3 times as long as volunteered by him. So 1 by 3. So that means that is going to be 4 by 3. It's given times. Okay, how many hours did he volunteer? It's going to be he volunteered 1 by 3 times. What do you mean by times? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division? What do you mean by times? It's multiplication, yes. So 2, 3 by 4, that is nothing but 11 by 4. We already have the value times Vinona has taken 4 by 3. So we are multiplying them. So we get 4 and 4 simplified. So it's just 11 by 3, or we can say it 3 hours. That is converting the improper fraction to mixed fraction. I hope you remember these steps. So it's going to be 3, 2 by 3. That is 3 hours. 3 hours and 40 minutes. Okay. See, my work becomes easy after you learn the basics. So I can just give the steps and go on, so that assuming that you are able to calculate it and understand better. Yes. So fraction multiplication is done. So simplified 3, 2 by 3. It's done. You get it? Times mean multiply. So it is said how many hours did Bino volunteer? So it is already said he volunteered 1 by 3 times as long as Dakota. Okay. You got it? Dakota has volunteered 2, 3 by 4. And we now have volunteered 1 by 3 times as long as him. Okay. So 2, 3 by 4 times 1 by 3. Yes. Got it. So this fraction we know converting this improper fraction, sorry, mixed fraction to improper fraction, that is 11 by 4 times, that's gonna be 3 plus 1, 4, 4 by 3. Okay, you clear with that? So I get 11 by 3, that's nothing but 3, 2 by 3, that means 3 hours and 40 minutes. Are you clear? Are you clear with that? Yes. Okay, shall we go with the next question? Okay. I'm just gonna clear the frame. Is that okay? Just a minute. Can you see the screen now? Yeah. I'm giving you a couple of minutes, read it and give a try. And remember, it's a fraction. Always you should be good with fraction, multiplication, addition, subtraction, division, and also with conversion of mixed fraction to improper to mixed. I think since this, I could not enlarge it more because it's a screen with PPT. Can you try to zoom it with your screen on your phone? You would be able to zoom it. Can you try that? Yeah, you can zoom it. You can move with your fingers towards the question. Keep your two fingers on the screen like this and just pull it. It will enlarge. And if you do like this, it will shrink. Try to enlarge as much as you can. I think Jari's screen is more visible. That was good, Jari. Can you try with that? Jackson, can you try the same way? Jackson, can you try the same? That's great. Are you ready? I'm giving you last 1 minute. Okay, are you all ready? Are you all ready? Can we start? Are you all ready? Yes. Okay. So the first question is about Noel used 2/3 cup of milk, 2/3 cup of milk, and 1 cup of oil to make cookies. So now, what is the operation? What is the operation for the first one? What is the operation for the first one? How much did he use altogether? Addition, yes. So after writing that, what's the common LCM? What's the common multiple of 3 and 4? 12, yeah. So how much I should multiply with the 2? How much should I multiply with 2? 4. I have to multiply with 4. Hossein, check it again. I have to multiply with 4. With the 4, I have 1. So how much I should multiply over 1? 3. Yeah. So it is 4 times 2 is 8. 3 times 1 is 3. 8 plus 3 is 11. So it's 11 over 12. Are you clear with that? So the operation to be used is addition over here. Next one, 1/3 of the cars are in parking lot are silver. So these are silver. There are 165 cars in a lot. How many cars are silver? So 165 cars are there in a lot. In that 1/3 of the car parking are silver. How many are silver? What's the operation? More than the answer, the question is about operation. Yes, multiplying it. So it is 55. 165 divided by 55. It's so easy. You have to do it faster. Okay. Shania takes 3/8 cup of yogurt. She needs 3/4 cup of yogurt to make smoothie. How much more yogurt does she need? She needs 3/4. She has 3/8. So what do you have to do? Yes, subtraction. 4 times 2 is 8. Same thing to be multiplied over here. So 3 times 2 is 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. So it is 3 divided by 8. The second one is a multiplication. And the third one is a subtraction. Okay, fourth one. Part of pizza are shared equally among 2 friends. Each friend got 5/12. Each friend got 5/12 means there are 2 friends who got 5/12 and 5/12 of the whole pizza. How much pizza was shared? The pizza to be shared equally between 2 friends. Each friend got 5/12 of the whole pizza. How much pizza was shared? It's an addition. Okay, how much was shared together? 5/12 plus divided by plus 5/12 gives me 10/12. Okay, so now the question is, in case they ask how much was not shared, then 2/12 was not shared. Are you clear with that? 10/12 was shared. Okay, how many pizzas was shared? 2 for 10/12 was shared. Since it's not complete, how many not shared? That's going to be 2/12. Are you clear with that? That's 1/6. Yes, if I simplify, I'm going to get 1/6. See, 10/12 is a pizza shared. How much not shared? So 1 minus 10/12 or 5/6. If I simplify this, it's going to give me 5 divided by 6. Okay, so if 5/6 is shared, how much is not shared? Out of 6, 5 is shared. Then out of 6, how much is not shared? Out of 6, 5 is shared. How much is not shared? Out of 6, 5 is shared. How much is not shared? Yes, 1. Out of 12, it is 2. Yes, beloved, you are some way closer. Out of 12, it is 2. Out of 6, it is 1. Are you clear with that? Okay, I'm explaining part D again. How many friends are there? There are 2 friends. Each friend's got 5 by 12. Each friend means one friend got 5 by 12. Then the other friend also got 5 by 12 because it is said they shared equally. It's already said they have shared it equally. Already it is said they have shared it equally. Part of pizza was shared equally between two friends. Each friend got 5 by 12. So one friend got 5 by 12. The other friend also got 5 by 12. So the total was shared is 10 by 12. If I simplify that by 2 times tables divided by 2 and divided by 2, that gives me 5 by 6. Hitoshiana, I'm sharing again. If you are not sure with what is LCM, helpless, please do review the videos once. I'm just trying to explain you the third question again. 3 by 4, he needs. 3 by 8, he has or she has. What is the common denominator? Itushiyana, what is the common denominator? 8. Yes, 8. Then how much should I multiply with 4 to get 8? 2. The same thing should be multiplied in the numerator 2. So 3 times 2 is 6 and minus 3. Are you clear with that? So it is said 3 by 8 of cup of yogurt and she needs 3 by 4 cup of yogurt. Okay, so that's the way it is 3 minus 6, 6 minus 3, and you get 3, so it is 3 divided by 8. Are you clear with that? Yeah. Shall we go on with the next one? Yes. Okay. I'm giving you an easy one. And okay, 2 questions. Easy and 2 questions. You solve it. Then let's go on with the next. It's going to be quite a challenge for you. Easy one, but still, you need to try. I'm sharing you the screen now. Can you see? Can you see the screen? Thank you for your response. Thank you very much for your response. How many more minutes do you want? Last 1 minute. So you have to increase your speed. It's all about how fast you do it. Will we go on with the answers? Do you want more time? I'm giving you last 1 more minute. Please do try to increase your speed. Okay, it's all about your speed. Your test, you have to perform faster. Okay, so 90 questions in your test, you should be as fast as enough. Only then you could score more. So please do concentrate on your time. You want your course scholarship? Then you have to work hard. Your time has to increase. Practice more. Practice. I'm giving you last 1 more minute. Okay, let's check it. I'm doing with the first one, learn. Nathan had 2 5/6 loaves of bread to make sandwich for lunch. That means 2 bread and 5/6 of another bread. That's what is the meaning. Okay, 2 full breads and 1 bread which is 5 and 5/6. Two plus 5/6. He made equal number of 4 different types of sandwich. What fraction of loaves did Nathan use for each type of sandwich? So converting into a mixed fraction, 2 5/6. So 2 5/6. I can say that 12 plus 5, 17/6, and I have to divide it. So he made 4 equal breads out of it. So I have to divide it by 4. He made equal number of 4 different types of sandwich. No, he made equal number of 4 different type of sandwich. Did you get it? So he's having 2 5/6 loaf of bread to make sandwich for a lunch. He made equal number of 4 different types. I cannot multiply. If I say I'm multiplying, that means I'm adding 17/6 like that, 3 more loaf. That is not said. Okay, so only the loaf is given 2 5/6, which is 17/6. I have to divide it by 4 because the same loaf is broken into 4 pieces, which is available with him. So 17 divided by 6, across multiply with that, or this is just by 1 if you want as a denominator. So that becomes 6 times 4. So each gets 17/24. Each gets 17/24. Are you clear with that? So he has how many loaf of bread? Maiga. How many loaf of bread does he have? Maiga, can you answer me that? 2 5/6 is a mixed fraction. If you convert over improper fraction, how much it is? How much loaves of bread does Nathan has? Yes, 17/6. He is breaking them into 4. Okay, he made equal number of 4 different type of sandwich out of it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have to divide it by 4. So he wants 4 different kind of sandwich out of it. That's why I'm dividing it by 4. So when I use a division sign, I have to cross multiply. That's the rule of the fraction. Are you clear with that? The rule of fraction is when I have a division sign, I have to cross multiply. Are you clear? Yes. So if I multiply, if I do cross multiplication, that's gonna be 17 divided by 24. Okay, 17 divided by 24, that means 4 different pieces. 17 divided by 24, 17 divided by 24. If I add them, I would get what? The same count. Okay, so I want only how much each one will get. Each one will get 17 divided by 24. That's all. Inverse, yes, we can call it as inverse or cross multiplying it. Are you clear with that? Is this question clear? The first one? Any doubts? Yes. Now the second one. I'm erasing this part so that I get some space to write the second one. Is that okay? Done. So I'm writing the second one below. As Stuart reported to an airport official before takeoff, 3/5 of the passengers were women. So I'm writing it down, W, women. And 3/8 were men. and 1/20th were children. After thinking a moment, the official seems puzzled and asks the steward to repeat the fraction. Why do you think so? The official said. So I'm trying to know what's the total count. So the LCM would be how much? 5, 8, and 20. What's the LCM? 40. That's very easy to take it as 40. 5 times 8, 40. 8 times 5, 40. 20 times 2, 40. 80 is also fine, but you have to reduce the value again so that I can check with the count. The class count is also 41. The answer is also 41. Oh, now it's 42. Okay, so it's into 8. Have to multiply over here into 5 on the numerator and into 2 over here in the numerator. So that is 2 plus 3 times 5 is 15 plus 8 times 3, 24 is done. Did you get that? Yes. If I add, how much do I get? 9, 10, 11, 11, so 2, 3, 4. It's 41 over 40. That means there is one member in addition, so that he is puzzled. Are you clear with that? Okay. Can I give you the next one? Let's maintain time. Is that okay? Yeah, that was tricky. I want you to solve the next question in just 2 minutes. If you nod your head and ready to race for the speed, then I will show you the question, or let's wait for a minute for you to say yes. For the others, am I audible? Am I audible to the others? Yes. Any disturbance of network? Then Francis, I think you need to check on your side. Yes, Francis, for everyone it is clear. So I think you have to check your network. Is that okay, Francis? You are with that, Francis? Okay. I'm giving you the next question. That's an assessment question, and sharing you in 10 seconds. The time starts now. Ready with the last 5 seconds. The question is going to get displayed Just 2 seconds for the entire question, not more than that. 3, 2, 1. Here you go. Have you done? Have you done? Okay, I'm giving you 1 more minute, not more than that. Good, beloved. I think beloved has completed. That's okay. Please try. Keep doing. Shall we go with the answers? We have hardly 3 minutes. A jug contains 2 1/3 cup. So I'm just doing only with the mind calculation going on. So that's 4/2. Sorry. The 4, 5/2. 4 plus 1, 5/2. Okay, it takes time to erase. So 5/2. And Shawan pours 3/8 cup of juice into each of the 3 glasses. Pours 3/8 cup of juice into 3 glasses. Then 5, 1, 2, 3. Okay, a jug contains 2.5 cup of juice. Okay, 2.5 cup of juice or 5/2 cup of juice. 3/8 pours 3/8 of juice into each of 3 glasses. Then 5/6 cup of juice into the 4th glass. So total there are 4 glasses. 1, 2, 3, and this is the 4th glass. So each first 3 cups gets 3/8 cup of juice into each of 3 glasses. So 3/8, 3/8, 3/8. So this is 3/8 into 3 cups. And over here it is 5/6 of cup of juice into the 4th glass. So here it is 5/6. That's multiplied by 1. Okay. Calculate the total amount of juice into 3 glasses that contain the same. So that is 3, 6, 9. That's 9/8. Okay with that? Okay. Calculate the total number of juice in 4 glasses. So I would add with 5/6. So that is LCM is 24. So it's gonna be, because the jug is big, don't forget that. So 8, 3, 24, 9, 3, 27, 6, 4, 24, 6 into 4, 20. So that gives me 20 plus 20, 40, 47 by 24. Okay, for the 3 cups, it's 3/8, 3/8, 3/8. The last cup, it's 5/6, adding them together. So 8 times 3 is 24. So 9 times 3, 6 times 4 is 24. So 5 times 4, 20, adding them 47 by 24. How much juice remains in the juice after the 4 glasses have been poured? So already we know that it is 2.5. That means 5/2 cup is already filled. In that 47 by 24 is being filled now, and something is remaining in the jug. So I subtract them at last. So I get into 12, that is 60. 60 minus 47. So 60 minus 47 is 13. 13 divided by 24. Cup is remaining. Are you clear with that? Into 12 is 24, into 12 is 24. So estimated fraction of apple juice that remains in the cup. Estimate the fraction of apple juice that remains in the cup. Okay, we have 3 cups juice, 3 cups and the 4th cup. Estimate the fraction of apple juice that remains in the jug. Okay, the term of apple juice is not there. So yeah, the first one, let it be there. Maybe I'll just check with the question where can I add with the term apple. Okay, this one says 3 cups at the same amount. So this is the one, 3 by 8 plus 3 by 8 plus 3 by 8. So that gives me 369. 9 by 8 of cup is being poured. Calculate the total amount of juice of the 4 cups. So that is 47 over 24. And 4 glasses which are poured, what is remaining? 13 by 24 remaining. In the jug, already it is 5 by 2. And already what is poured is 47 by 24. When I subtract them, I get 13 by 24. Are you clear with that? Second one, since the same amount is being poured, 3 by 8, 3 by 8, 3 by 8 is added, so 9 by 8. Clear with that? First one, let's take you on with the apple juice. Estimate the fraction of apple juice that remains in the jug. I can say the same thing. The term apple is not given. So this, I think, I'm just giving you an overall. In case if they're talking about the first one, what about the rest? It's like that. Okay, so that is already is given 5 by 6. So amount is remaining plus something is remaining. Okay, we don't know which is apple juice out of it. So this let it remain. Maybe in the next class, I'll try to give you some question based on the same to substitute somewhere with the term apple juice and give you. Is that okay? Any doubts? Any doubts? Okay, that's great. I just want you to try. Yeah, I want you to try it. Do with the videos once, review it, how to log in into your test and everything. And by the next class, please do the fractions very well. Today we are actually lacking in your timetable chart with the expression for algebra. Maybe on the next class, I will do that along with the other topics of exponents and algebraic like terms and unlike terms. Okay, clear with that? Okay, any other questions? Attendance link, I'm again telling you. Francis, can you please hear me? Francis, can you please hear me? Francis, can you please hear me? Please do save the link. Okay, Francis, I'm sending you the attendance link. Please do save it in your device. Every day it might consume a lot of time. You can save time if you can save it in your device. Please do copy the link and save it. That's my kind request to you. Thank you. Please do save the attendance link on your side. Every day sending the attendance link. For me, it consumes 2 minutes. You could have done 2 questions or 1 question in that 2 minutes. You will also be lacking in questions. Okay. So I just want you to please don't waste time. You do save the link. It will take time, Emmanuel. If it doesn't, don't worry. In the next class, I will clear it for you. Don't worry at all. Okay. Don't worry about it. Test issue, don't worry. You can take up the test even with the next class. I would be back for you on Tuesday. On Tuesday, we will catch up. And any problem with the test, we will clear it. Don't worry. Oh, yeah, sure. I'm just giving you some questions to try it for later. I'm just trying to put it up in your chat. You can download it. Every class, the attendance link is same. Every class, the attendance link is same. Sunday, you don't have class. Next is on Monday, you have Jolly Ma'am's class with English speaking. You are going to have a good class and amazing. And next is on Tuesday. I would be back on Tuesday and Wednesday for you. Are you clear with that? Yeah, that's great. Any other questions? No, either before the class or during the class or end of the class. When there is no class on that day, you cannot fill the form. I don't think so. Okay, fine. No class on Sundays. Next class is on Monday, and then on Tuesday, I would be there for you on the next class on Tuesday. Any doubt on your test, I will clarify it for you. Don't worry. Okay, thank you all. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Nilofer, you can take the test even next week. No worries. Mock test, you can take it even later. No worries. Not considered for final. It is mock test. Mock test means for you to practice, not for the final test. Okay. Thank you all. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a great weekend.